Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here or if you're a lurker, welcome and thank you very much for taking time out of your day to watch my videos and support me. And to my current subscribers, as always, much love and much gratitude. I want to give a shout out to a new subscriber. His name is Financial Minute, and I will leave the link to his channel down below in the description. So stop by and check out his wonderful channel, and it looks like he has great videos on finances. So for this video, we will be stuffing December paycheck number 2, and I will show you the cash breakdown. So the total cash that we will be stuffing today is $950, and I will leave this up for a few seconds so you can see how I break it down. Anywho, let's get started with the cash stuffing, and we will, as always, start with our brown binder, which houses our home essential envelopes. Okay, so before I get started, I just want to show you that I have $5 left in my gas envelope from last period, and this money is gonna go towards the pay it forward envelope, which you will see later. Okay, starting with groceries, I have decided for this paycheck to stuff it with $100 because the Christmas envelope is gonna get $100 total, and I will be adding $25 to that envelope to make it $100. So during Christmas time, I tend to cook a lot of food, and because it's only three of us in the household, the food typically lasts us between 3 to 4 days, even 5. Yes, we are a bunch of small eaters, so it certainly helps with the grocery money in that way. So yeah, I had planned to put $100, but because I took $100 out to buy some grocery items for last night's dinner, it's only gonna get 80. So 20, 40, 60, 80. And I apologize if this video is a bit dark because I was trying to play with the lighting to get rid of the glare. Moving on to gas, it's gonna get its $150. So that's gonna be 4 20s, 4 10s, and 6 5s. Excuse me guys while I sneeze. Maybe not, sorry. So this should be 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Okay. And also for this paycheck and the next paycheck, some of these envelopes are gonna get a little bit more to meet certain goals, and starting this January, I won't be stuffing these envelopes until April or May because I'm gonna focus on aggressively paying off my consolidated loans. It's currently sitting at $16,000, and yeah, I just want to be able to meet my goals for my essential binders first and other things. So yeah. Household, it's gonna get $25, so that should bump it up to $140. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 35, 40. My Medical is gonna get $30, and that should bump it up to $245. So it's 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 200, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 245. Home maintenance is gonna get $25, and that should bump it up to $150. So 50, 100, 20, 40, 45, 150. Sucker Punch is gonna get $25, and that should bump it up to $175. Okay. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75. Hygiene is also gonna get $25, so that should bump it up to $130. So we have 50, 70, 90, 100, 110, 120, 125, 130. Pantry is also gonna get $25, and that should bump it up to $125. So 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 15, 20, 125. Last but not least, family time is gonna get $25, which would bump it up to $65. 20, 40, 50, 65. Moving on to my cat's binder. This kid is gonna get $75. And that should bump it up to $185. So 50, 100, 150, 170, 180, 185. Vet care is not gonna get anything. Emergency fund is gonna get $50. So that should bump it up to $100. 50, 100. Medicine's not gonna get stuffed. Fun fluff is not gonna get stuffed. Moving on to my pink binder, which houses my needs and wants envelopes. I decided to move the splurge envelope back onto my pink envelope because I'm gonna keep this binder strictly my giving, which includes charities, causes, and helping others out. So yeah, welcome back. Splurge is gonna get $10, which should bump it up to $30. So 10, 20, 25, 30. And this lovely envelope is by KaysWallet, and as always, I will leave the link to our Etsy shop and channel in my description below. Personal spending is gonna get $20 in 2/10s. Coffee is gonna get $15 in 3/5s, and I am actually gonna trade one of the 5 for these coins, so yeah. In they go. Clothing, beauty, and moving out are not gonna get anything. Continuing education is gonna get $50, so that should bump it up to $245. So 50, 100, 150, 70, 90, 210, 220, 225, 230, 235, 240, 245. Gifts and birthdays envelopes are not gonna get anything. Eating out's not gonna get anything. Merry Christmas is empty because I did half of my Christmas shopping, so it's gonna get replenished with $245. So I am most likely gonna take the money from the birthdays to add to my Christmas gift spending, so I will let you guys know. Yes. So we got 100, 150, 200, 220, 240, 245. I had to think about that for a moment. And Christmas dinner is gonna get $25 to bump it up to 100, and that should be the goal for Christmas dinner. 50, 70, 90, 95, 100. And for the 3 of us, this is more than enough. Get in. There you go. Decor's not gonna get anything. And Lotto is gonna get 5. Personal Lotto is, or work Lotto, sorry, is also gonna get 5. And also, last but not least, is my giving binder. So with gratitude, it's gonna get $5. So that should bump it up to $25. 20. Pay it forward is gonna get $25 because I did use money out of this envelope. And it's gonna get this leftover $5 from last week. So this now has 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. And if I were to count the coins, 61. Yeah. 61.50, 61.75, 80, 85. So $61.85. And for the time being, I'm gonna make this the goal for this envelope $100. Okay, so Safe Team and Food Bank are not gonna get stuck. So with every paycheck, I have been habitually putting $20 into my gratitude account, which is for the purpose of charity. So with the $20 from this paycheck, it now has $300, which I transferred into my checkings account, plus the additional $35 from each of these envelopes, plus an additional $20 each. I just made an online donations to Safe Team for $200 and to the food bank for $205. So yeah. And last but not least is this adoption envelope, which is gonna get $10. So that should now bump it up to $20. 10, 15, 20. There you go. So yeah, that's everything. If you've stuck out with me to this point, thank you very much. And if you'd like to consider, please hit the like button, leave a comment below, or consider subscribing. So in the spirit of the holidays, happy holidays. And if you celebrate any of these, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, and Happy Kwanzaa. And I will see you in 2 weeks for cash stuffing number 3 of December. And also I do plan to be doing a sinking funds update video in which some of my envelopes will be depleted for sure. So I am looking forward to that, as well as to sharing my debt-free journey that starts in the beginning of 2022. So yeah. Anyways, have a great evening, morning, or afternoon, wherever you are in the world, and stay safe.